Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole Johnson and this is my beauty channel where I share all of my beauty tips with you. So if you haven't hit that subscribe button, hit it now and join in on the conversation. And ladies, let's get this beauty started. All right, so I wanted to just pop on. This is a very short video, ladies, but I wanted to show you a really cool trend on the fall 2018 runway that you can incorporate into your gray hair journey. Now, it's very retro. I'm taking you back to the 1990s. I couldn't believe it when I saw it on the runway. That these headbands are making a comeback, and it might be just for this fall, but you know what, it's really fun and it's very different, and why not, right? So I literally went over to CVS and it comes in a 3-pack. So these are, I think it's called like a headband comb or what have you, black, brown, and clear. So I think this is a really cool one too, but I've been just wearing the black, as you can see. Now this is what I do, because there's 2 different styles you can get with this kind of headband comb. Now when you're going gray, you're in that grand bray stage. You have a ½ an inch, you have an inch of gray, you have 2 inches of gray. This is like the coolest part of your journey, because this comb is really going to like highlight and kind of separate. I think it's going to be really cool for your hair, and I think for anyone that has different colors in their hair, I think it's a really cool option. So this is what I do. I'm just going to show you what I do. I've shown you my Instagram. So like excited about this. So where the clasp is, I put it in the back, and then I basically just pull my hair back like this, and then I want the comb to be starting like really dig in early, like right in where it hits my hair. Okay, so I'm just gonna make sure my ears are out of the way. Okay, there we go. Make sure it's perfectly flat against your head. Okay, this is the cool part. So you push it like this. So if you have, right, all of that new growth, and then you have dark hair, blonde hair, what have you, you're really going to highlight it. I think it's so cool. So you can leave it like this if you want to. What I do is, I just want it to be a little bit more glam. I'm going to take the back and I'm just going to kind of just give it a little tease. I like it to be a little messy. I don't want this to look like I really was like, oh, I love like wearing headbands when I'm like 42, right? I want it to be like fashiony, retro, kind of cool, different. You can take any spin on it that you want. And then my hair's short, so it's going to have like stragglers down at the bottom, but I'm just going to take my little elastic and I'm going to pull it back, right? And I have like a cool, like, I just think that just looks so different. Now it'll look very different when I wear the clear, which I think would look really cool too. But that's basically where you can get multiple styles with this headband. You can be totally on trend. You can really show off your gray and really be proud of it, because you're going to be, you know, you're making a statement, but you're also kind of in that whole fashion world, totally on trend this fall. And until my next video, I'll see you later.